So what have we got? We have got a Ford Capri 2-litre laser in black. This is my next 2 to 3 weeks work in for a few jobs because it's going into a Ford dealership as part of the new Ford Capri promotion. What's it in for, you asked? Well, it is in for a bit of grot round the washer jet. It is in for some weirdness on this boot lid, mainly sort of this, but I think it's going to be much more than that when you start delving into it. The whole car's been painted, but the quarters maybe have been done again because the blend has broke here. I mean, you can't see in the video, but it's pretty ripply. Next up is the bonnet. Again, the bonnet is, you can see it in the clouds. It's just it's pretty lumpy. A couple of blisters on the front edge somewhere, one there somewhere, and a dent which I just saw. Again, there's a little something going on here. Oh yeah, that's not attached. And again, the blend has been broken on the rear quarter into the roof. As you can see, I think there's actually a bit of primer edge poking through as well there. And some paint water under the paint, which is what you always want. So yeah, a few jobs. It's got to look good under those lights. So I'll do some more videos as I work on it. Keep checking my site out for more videos to come.